the next set of exercises. Exercises 2.100. Okay, so let's try. A part is r minus fraction 1/3 less equals fraction 7/12. Okay, so that brings us now least common denominator is 12. Multiply both sides by 12, which is a positive number. No change in inequality. All right, 12 times left hand side less equals 12 times right hand side. Okay, so let's see the text. 12 times r is 12r minus 12 times 1/3 less equals 12 reduces the 12. I'm left with 7 here. So that's 12r minus 3 reduces the 12 4 times 1, 4 less equals 7. To get rid of negative 4, I add 4 to both sides. They cancel. You're left with 12r less equals 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay. Now lastly, I want to divide both sides by 12, which is a positive number, so no change in inequality. Okay, so fraction 12r over 12 is less equals fraction 11/12. That tells me these two go away. R is less equals fraction 11/12. To graph it, what do we do? Draw the number line. (11/12) is somewhere here. Notice it is included, so you need to fill in the point. R is less than or equal. Less than means to the left. Okay. That's it. The solution set is, you look at the interval. The left handmost point is not a point, it is negative infinity, and right handmost point is 11/12, which is included. So infinities are open, that is parentheses, and this one is a filled in point, so it's a closed interval on this side, so that's a bracket. Let's try the next one. 12d less equals 16. Okay. All right. Well, what do we need? We need to divide both sides by 12. So let's do that. Okay. you have a fraction 12d over 12 less equals fraction 6d over 12. So notice I'm dividing by a positive number, so the inequality is maintained. D is less than or equal to 5, which brings me to the interval. Graph of the interval, somewhere here is 5, which is included, so it's a filled in point, and D is less than, so you're to the left of it. Okay. Which brings us to the interval notation. Solution set is left handmost point is infinity, rather negative infinity, and right handmost point is 5. Infinities are always open, that is parentheses. This is a filled in point, so it is closed, that is a bracket. C, problem C. Negative 24 less than fraction 4 over 3n. Okay, this is, again notice your variable is on the right hand side. I want to interchange sides. When you interchange sides, don't forget inequality changes. That less than becomes greater than. Okay, so when you interchange left and right side, inequality changes. Alright, less than became greater than. At this point, notice you have a denominator, so multiply both sides by 3. So 3 times left hand side is greater than 3 times the right hand side. So notice, because I'm multiplying by a positive number, inequality does not change. 3 reduces the 3. I have 4n on the left. What happens here? Positive times negative is a negative 72. At this point, I want to divide both sides by 4. (4n over 4 is greater than negative 72 over 4. Okay, so that gets us, this is simply n greater than negative 1, 8, negative 18. So to graph this, you start with a number line. Okay, somewhere here is negative 18, which is not included, so keep it open. N is greater than negative 18, so greater than means to the right of it, so keep to the right of it. That's your interval. All right, and here you can write the solution set. This is open, so it's parenthesis, and all the way to the right, that's open, that's another parenthesis. Okay, so that completes 2.100. Let's continue in our next video. Until then, bye.